After skipping a year, Cascade Bicycle Club brought back its premier city bike ride that lets people bike on some of Seattle's freeways, and I wasn't gonna miss out.
Hi, I'm Bob Seversal. I'm in Seattle, Washington, and we're going to do the 2026 Emerald City Ride. Let's have some fun.
The Emerald City Ride started in Sodo near Lumen Field.
Right here.
The closures on State Route 99 and the West Seattle Bridge were temporary and started at 7 a.m. So we were all up early on a Saturday morning to experience this rare occurrence. I rode with my friend Nick. We've been riding together for many years. From the top of the West Seattle Bridge, we were treated to gorgeous views of the Seattle skyline to the north and Tahoma to the south. Cascade's Emerald City Ride was first held back in 2016, and it has taken a variety of forms over the past decade. The different routes have led riders on freeways including the 99 Tunnel under Seattle, 520 Floating Bridge across Lake Washington, I-5 express lanes across the Ship Canal Bridge and into downtown Seattle, and more. It's interesting to see what route will be used next. The first rest stop was at City View Park. The water in Elliott Bay was calm, which added to the beauty of the Seattle skyline. Just like in 2024, they had delicious mini donuts, which I was keen to seek out. The Olympic Mountains were in full view as we biked along Alki Beach. I'm used to the Emerald City Ride getting lots of rain, so having a sunny day that warmed up as we rode was a special treat. Entering the Fauntleroy neighborhood, we had the biggest climbs of the ride. There was one more rest stop on the ride at South Seattle College. While there, I got to pet a dog, and that just makes every ride better.
Okay, so they did nothing. Oh, is this yours?
I thought this object was a blue and black glove that someone had dropped. However, when I slowed to try to pick it up, it wasn't a glove. It was a dead bird. I was so glad I didn't touch it.
Oh my gosh, I thought you would like drop. Oh, you see where the cyclists are going down to the left?
To get back into Soto, we crossed the lower Spokane Street Bridge.
Yep, there was a sign that said get on the road.
We were able to ride on a newly opened segment of the East Marginal Way side path, which was just completed the previous year.
Yep.
Passing T-Mobile Park, we completed the loop and finished outside Lumen Field. It was good to see and chat with so many people along the way. Some folks went to the after party at Lowlander Brewing, but we went along our merry way.
Thank you for joining me on the Emerald City ride. That was a lot of fun, and I hope to do it again next year. If you want to see more of my content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.